More progress on the land. Oh yeah. Let me show you what I've been doing. I figured since I'm here, I might as well go ahead and really put this tractor to the test. And believe me, I did. My biggest problem was this collapsed building. Okay, so I went ahead and came down here, and that's the pile I created, which is all basically roots and garbage. But I couldn't get behind this old collapsed building. So I took it upon myself to just work the hell out of this tractor and box blade, and this is what I came out with. Now, of course, what I've had to do first is take this piece of machinery, this rotary cutter, which is attached to my Echo, and go in here and get all these briars out, which of course I couldn't just drive this tractor through here because I was getting, basically stuck in the face and stuck all over the place. So here's the results. Finally cut a trail all the way around this collapsed building, and as you can see, there it is. But I could never get right here. I couldn't get in here. This is just, it was too damn thick. And well, anyway, not any longer. Now I created myself a little road and dug that. And look at this topsoil, man. Now that's some rich topsoil. And that's what I expected, because it's never been plowed or anything like that, or anything grown back here. But there we go. Nice little trail all the way around. Flattened it out real good, scraped it, raked the roots up, and then continued right around the barn. And of course you can see it now. Oh, what a damn mess, huh? Oh yeah. But there we go. And now you can really see the effects. Really see the effects of what that box blade does. Nice, huh? Yep. Create a nice, beautiful scrape trail. So now I can burn this damn thing in place, because I'm not in fear of it jumping. I'll pick a nice day where it's nice and cool outside, no breeze, and then just light the damn thing on fire. And hopefully not set that on fire, which would be a real pain in the ass. And of course the county would come out here and really get me then, but I like the results. I like the results. Very nice. What a piece of junk, huh? I wish that was a standing building, I really do. But that worked out real good. Oh, yeah. I got another accomplishment made too. All right. And about 3 weeks ago, I did a video where I cleared this big field back here. And there was this one big stump that was stuck. I mean, stuck. Well, today I went after that son of a gun. And let me show it to you. And came through here and started scraping the road again. Because now the dirt, because of all this ice and snow, the ground is nice and soft. So that really played into my advantage. You can see I've been scraping through here, scraping. And there, that stump was right there. Okay? And there it is. And I knew it had a big root ball on it. No doubt about it. I finally got that sucker out of the ground. There you go. Nice. So now I got a nice little area here, and this is, like I said, this is where I'm going to build my other little log cabin, or put another small building back here to just basically hang out in my new created field. Okay? All right. Now, I got some cool news. I didn't tell you this, but here's some information. All right, follow along with me on this, because this will help a lot of you guys, if you don't understand or know this. And I didn't know this. Taxes, okay? Property taxes and real property. Now, what I did is I bought this land, and I put this land underneath my corporation name, okay? So when I went down to the tax office and filed, hi, I'm the new owner, yada, yada, yada. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to put out there. And I want to just go ahead and introduce myself, okay? So I met Brenda, who's head of the department for county taxes, okay? And what Brenda and I discussed is I had a shipping container out here, and I also had my Kubota tractor, and I had a few basic farm implements, okay? That was real property. Now, here's the problem. You get property taxes, which is the land, okay? You get taxed on the land. Now, according to her, Brenda, she said that the place has never been reevaluated since 2009. But this year, they're going to reevaluate the land. So there's a strong chance, a really strong chance, that the property values are going to go up here, so the land's going to be worth more, which is actually good. Yes, my taxes will go up on my property taxes, but I don't care, because that means the land is more valuable per acre. So here's the glitch. I got a second bill for last year, because I've been here exactly 2 years, for $17,000. And I kept thinking, well, they're taxing me on the tractor, the shipping container, and the old RV. Remember the old RV that was out here, that old Prowler I had? Well, I had that given back, gave that back to Joe Jr., who the original owner was, and I thought, oh, that was the $3,500. No, they taxed me $3,600, excuse me, on a shipping container. Well, I questioned it. I went ahead and sent off the money for that, because it was like an additional $236 on the $17,000 for last year. So this year I get the bill again, and I'm sitting there thinking, nah, something's wrong. Something is wrong here. I need to go check this out. So I went and met Brenda again yesterday, and this is what happened. Brenda and I sat down, and she goes, everything looks right. Have you changed anything? Have you sold anything? I said, yeah, I got rid of the 93 Prowler. That's no longer there. So she scratched that off. And she goes, well, we're going to depreciate your assets for this year, which now the shipping container will go down to $2,800. The tractor will go down to $11,300. And I says, oh, that's fine. Good. That's at least saves me a little bit of money. But I said, let me tell you, I'm not a corporation that's doing business here in Wake County. In Orange County. I said, my business is solely out of Wake County. Okay, that's where I have all my tools, I have my equipment, my trailers, blah, blah, yada, 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 my trucks and all that stuff. And she goes, well, wait a minute. She goes, so you're telling me that the tractor and the shipping container is not part of your business? I go, no, that's my personal property on my land. I just put everything under my corporation name just because it was just smart business. That way, if I ever get sued as an individual, you can't touch any of my property because everything's under the corporation name. And she goes, well, wait a minute then. That changes everything. And I said, well, what do you mean? She said, well, if this is all recreational use, then I can't charge you taxes on any of it. And I says, really? I said, well, that's really good news. I'm glad I came up and spoke with you personally, Brenda, because I would have been paying taxes on $17,000. Of course, it'd be depreciated this year, but again, it's my personal stuff. She goes, well, if the tractor's just for you to go out there and plow the field and run around, and the shipping container's just to put your tools and gasoline and generators and stuff in, and she goes, that's your personal property, and I can't charge you taxes. So the moral of the story is, now I don't have to pay another $200 some odd this year because it's all personal property, even though it's registered under my business name. I thought I'd bring you that updated information, guys. Okay, you know what to do. Thumbs up, leave those comments, and I'll see you in another video. Cool. Saving money, making progress. That's what it's all about. Remember, be smart in business, and I promise you, you'll make money. See you later, guys, on another video.